In today's video, as per your request, I'm gonna suggest 5 best budget watch brands under 1500 rupees. Most of these options are actually close to 1000 rupees rather than 1500 rupees, which is actually crazy, guys. And not only just talking about the brand, but I'm gonna show my favorite watches from that particular brand so that you can either take a cue or inspiration, and if you like the same piece, you can buy using the links in the description below. Starting with the watch number 1. It is from a well-reputed brand, Timex. This watch is named as Timex Aqua Indi Glow. At the time of recording this video, it is priced at 1123 for this watch, which is actually priced at 3745. It is at 70% off, and the crazy part is that I am not shooting this video during the sale time. This looks so good to be real. This looks so classic with the color combination of the white and brown. This is available also in the black leather strap as well. Feel free to check them out because at a price point of close to 1100 rupees, this one is a must-have, guys. Moving on to the best budget watch number 2 is from a brand called Sonata. The crazy part when it comes to this watch, even without being discounted a single rupee, it is priced at a price point of 1325 if you use card discount during any time throughout the year, or maybe if you apply any cashback on top of this, you can get this easily at a price point of 1000 rupees. And for 1000 rupees, what exactly I liked about this brand Sonata and also this particular watch which I'm gonna show in this video is the color combination, because it looks so classic with this black and white color, and also the attention is drawn towards that silver color bezel as well. In case if your price point is close to 1500 rupees, they have this other version as well with the leather strap, and this is a Sonata Reloaded men's silver analog watch. In case if you don't like that silver bezel which is wrapping around for the previous watch, this one it have that classic look with the black and white color combination. Basically, watches are the essentials and these are the accessories which men should have in their wardrobe, and Sonata named them as the essentials. These priced at an affordable price point of 1049. In case during the sale times, if you find this at a price point of 30% to 40% off, in case, I'm not saying that it will be discounted, if you find them, you can get this at a crazy price point of 600 to 700 rupees. It looks so good to be true at this price point, and how it looks with this color combination, in particular with the attention to detail when it comes to the gold color and the combination of the black and white. And it have an excellent rating of 5 stars when it comes to Myntra, and I will make sure that there will be a link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Moving on to the third best budget watch I'm gonna suggest for you guys would be from a brand called Timex. Timex have this men's silver toned analog watch at a price point of 1590 rupees as of recording this video. This watch comes with this rose gold bezel when it comes to the dial, with the dial being in white color, and when it comes to the strap, rather than going with the brown color, they have gone with this burgundy color strap that can up your style game. Moving on to the best budget watch number 4. It is from a brand called Titan. Yes, you can get a Titan watch as well below 1500 rupees, and if you apply card discounts on top of that or cashbacks on top of that, you can get that at a price point close to 1200 to 1300 rupees. Most of you guys must be already having a black one. In case if you have black watch with you, I think this watch from Titan, which is actually a men's silver toned analog leather watch in this gray color strap and a white color dial with a silver color stainless steel bezel, this is one of the rare combination you can find when you're getting that at a price point of 1596 at the time of recording this video. Those are fairly priced at 1995. I'm recording this video when there is no sale at all, so you may get all of these options at a reduced price points or at a similar price points, but most often than not, you're not gonna see increased prices when it comes to the suggestions which you're gonna see in this video. There are few other options available from Titan at a price points of 1095 as well, but the ratings are pretty bad for those options. I wanted to make sure that these are suggestions video, and I'm gonna suggest you the best options available, not each and every option available at those price points. Moving on to the last budget watch under 1500 rupees, but not the least one. Actually, this is one of my favorite one. This is the watch which I already have with me. It is a Casio A158WA series Casio vintage collection. Even though the dial is of very small size, if you are in the camp of loving the Casio vintage series, you will love this one. If you don't like small size dials when it comes to men's watches, you're absolutely gonna hate them. In case if you are into that second category, please feel free to skip this option. However, this particular option from Casio vintage, it is super fairly priced at an affordable price point of 1295 rupees. On top of that, in Casio website, when I'm recording this video, there is a 10% off going on, which brings down this price point to 1165 rupees. However, it is sold out, but I will make sure that I will find this watch either in Amazon and Flipkart. Even though if it is out of stock also, I will leave a link in the description below. You can shop using those links when it has been restocked. In case if you can't find this particular watch online, these are pretty much available all the time in the offline Casio stores. I got one in the Casio stores and I am absolutely in love with this watch of how vintage and classic it looks. The advantage what you get when you go for the Casio vintage series, the thing is that you are portraying, or it looks like you want that vintage vibe, you want that classic vintage aspect, rather than you don't have money to spend 2000 rupees or 5000 rupees on a watch. That's why you're cheaping out at 1000 rupees price point. It don't look like that. It's like you are purposely doing it. That's the message you are going to give when you buy these kind of watches. I hope you guys found this video informative on 5 best budget watches under 1500 rupees. If you like this video, make sure that you click the like button, and also you know the drill. Share and comment. That's it from me. See you guys next time.